काँग्रेसीच्या आड आमदारांनी केल्ल्या भाजपा पक्षांतरा उपरांत तिडकिल्ल्या नागरिकांनी शुक्रारा पणजेंत ह्या आड आमदारा आड निशेध करीत आंदोलन केलें। भाजपा सरकार उदरगतीचें नांव काडपाक तयार ना, फकत आमदार विकते घेवपाक पेटल्यात अशी तिडक सेसील रॉड्रिग्जान उक्तायली। तशेंच ह्या सगळ्या आड आतां गोंयकारांनी आवाज उठोवंक जाय अशी विनवणी सेसील रॉड्रिग्जान गोंयकारां कडेन केली।
People, the citizens, we are all facing problem with BJP coming into power, and our MLAs are shifting from one party to another party. For what? For power? For development? This is the development where rape cases are high on number, where unemployment is high on number, education is in shambles, healthcare centers are in shambles. Nothing is happening right. Deaths are happening, murders are happening. Robberies are happening. How much more do we are going to face? And here they are only buying all the MLAs. It angers me. It angers all the citizens over here who have come out today. So people of Goa, you all have to realize this. Now it's only, we have 4 more years. We have 4 years till the next election. We have 2 more years for the coming elections. MP elections are there. Then we have, after that, even in Taligam, we have our panchayat elections in 2024. After 4 years, citizens do not forget, because they say, no, आमचे लोक ना इसादता पोतून आम्ही आमचे त्यांच्या दारार गेल्यार पैसे दिल्यार न्हू ते वोट मारतले आमकां. This is how they treat the voters. This is how they treat the voters. They give money and the voters are getting sold out. They don't have shame. They even sold their gods. This is why it's raining, it's flooding, disasters are happening, because we as human beings have become greedy for everything. We want illegalities to happen, we want wrong things to happen. Everything is a cycle of wrong things. So citizens of Goa, please wake up. You want to protect Goa, you can't just sit at home and protect Goa. You have to go and ask your MLA, why did you jump? Because they have jumped for money. They have jumped for money, nothing else. They have jumped to save all their court cases. They have jumped to save all their wrongdoings. That's the only reason that they have jumped for.